In this course, what I've tried to do is I've tried to reflect what's happened in branding over the last 60 or to 70 years, because really in the last 50 to 70 years there's been a lot of interest in the topic of branding, and industry, given the development in the economy, has really driven a lot of changes. Interestingly enough, this is an area where academia has not led the cutting edge. It's really been industry. So that's developed for us a lot of ripe topics that we could delve into in the course. So to capture the variety and to capture core branding topics that we've not covered in other courses at UNB, I decided to use a seminar format and a project format for the course. That way students could pick a project that was guided somewhat. They had to do a brand assessment, but they could focus in on a particular brand and pick one or more frameworks that are available either from academia or from industry to do an in-depth investigation of a particular brand and make recommendations for improvement. But to build up to the branding project, the assessment project, I used the seminar format and allowed students to work in groups to pick the branding topic that they wanted as their primary topic for their seminar. And that gave us, like I said, a variety of topics, including the most popular topics, as it turned out to be, emotional branding and sensory branding. Very topical because there's been a lot that's happened most recently in the last decade in terms of frameworks and investigations, research into the topics, but lots of historical examples. Other topics that we covered were measurement. We broke that down into two key areas. One would be the general topic of metrics, different things that can be measured in terms of brand recognition and recall and other measures. And then a separate seminar that focused on brand valuation. Brand valuation is an area that's been driven in large part by industry, trying to capture the financial value of a brand. So that allowed us to integrate some financial and accounting topics into the area of marketing. Other areas that we covered that are important to industry are brand crisis, and how do you handle a communications crisis? What's the protocol and what are the steps that should be taken, and how do you integrate the PR message with the concerns that legal has around liability and that type of thing. Other topics that we covered included brand personality. That's a topic that's been in academia and in industry for a long time, but some cutting edge areas in that category would be tribal consumption. So that's a topic that was of interest to a number of students, looking at companies like Harley Davidson and the Corvette brand at Chevrolet, and looking at what are the drivers that capture consumers to make them more or less a hardcore member of a tribe and follower of a brand and a brand advocate. An industry-driven topic that's very topical today that, interestingly enough, was not a hot topic for students, but an important topic nonetheless, is social media. And what are the implications of social media, and what are some of the ways to track what people are saying about you on Facebook and elsewhere, and what are the implications for managing your brand. And that allowed us to integrate some of the topics such as brand crisis and brand valuation.
So what was your favorite part of the class?
We did the topic on sensory branding, so that was my
That was really
favorite.
interesting.
It was, wasn't it?
I found it, I had never really thought about the different ways in advertising you can provoke certain things by like having images that remind you of scents and stuff like that.
Right, and so now most companies are using 5 senses, so the 5 senses of taste, touch, smell, feel, like those ones, and they're incorporating those ones into their
branding,
branding, and they're seeing remarkable results in the class.
And I liked that we focused on branding because you talk about branding a lot in like other classes, like in
So it's
like
a part
marketing
of a
management and
topic.
stuff, and it's always
Yeah.
a piece of a topic,
Yeah.
but it's never the whole. So it was
Yes.
kind of interesting to dive
Delve
in.
in yeah.
And I like that you get to write the takeaway and stuff.
I like the seminar.
I
particularly.
like the seminar
So-
a lot.
Was it for an hour? You guys had it as well?
Yeah.
Yeah, so ours was an hour as well. So for an hour, you kind of lecture to the class.
I liked
and,
it.
And you engage the class by using those tools and games.
and
Yes.
yeah, it
So
was
this,
fun.
This was a pretty fun way for everybody to learn. So the classes, they weren't boring.
It's true.
And so I liked how Steve Grant, how he did this, our professor.
I really
structure
enjoy
was
some
really
of that
well
classes.
done. Yes.
It was, yeah.
I think maybe they should do the branding again because I think students would really
It's
enjoy
a
learning about this
great
one.
topic, yeah.
Yes.